Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are. In this tutorial, I show you how you can quickly adjust the letter in Illustrator and change the corners. So you start by opening a new document. I press Command N on the keyboard to bring up a new document. Once Illustrator is open, I made it 700 by 700 pixels. T on the keyboard to bring up the text tool. Create your shape. For this, I'll pick one letter, which is the first letter of the alphabet. Size other. Adjusted the point size to, I think it was 500. No, 700. Change the font. Select the font that you like. I've gone with Gill Sans bold. 700 is too big, so I'll change it to 500 again. I've chosen a bold font because it shows you how this works a lot better than a serif or sans serif would. But to use a thin font, you can still see the adjustments, but it's just more minute and subtle. So expand the object, click the corners, and rotate. You can do this individually or you can do it all together. However, you get more organic looking effect. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, bye.